Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect reCAPTCHA v3 to Webflow forms for clean UX, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect reCAPTCHA v3 to your Webflow forms for a clean user experience, begin by logging into your Google reCAPTCHA account. If you do not have an account, create one and register your site for reCAPTCHA v3. Once registered, you will receive a site key and a secret key. Copy your site key for use in the Webflow project. Next, open your Webflow project and navigate to the Settings tab. In the project settings, locate the Custom Code section. In the head code area, paste the following script src equals https://www.google.com/reCAPTCHA/api.js, render equals your _site_keys/script. Be sure to replace your underscore. Next, go to the form element in your Webflow project where you want to add reCAPTCHA. Open the form settings and select the form submission settings. In the form submission settings, you need to add a hidden input field. Set the name of this hidden input field to reCAPTCHA response. Return to the custom code section and scroll down to the footer code area. Here, you will add a script to handle the reCAPTCHA token generation. Paste the following code before the closing /body tag. Script document.add event listener, submit, function, event.prevent default, varform equals event.target, reCAPTCHA.ready, function, reCAPTCHA.execute, your _site_key, action, submit, then. Now, ensure that the form's action URL for submission is set correctly. Typically this would be a Webflow default URL. After completing these steps, publish your Webflow site to see the changes in effect. To verify that reCAPTCHA is functioning, fill out the form on your live site. Check your Google reCAPTCHA account to monitor submissions and validate token validity. Your Webflow forms should now integrate seamlessly with reCAPTCHA v3, ensuring a cleaner user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech